Hey guys, what's up? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about if I should raise my prices or leave them the same. Let me know down in the comments below. But for the meantime, let's get right into the video.
So Tony, can you tell us when was the last time you raised your prices?
So our most recent time that we've raised our prices was this year, January 2022. So it's only been about a month, almost.
And by how much did you raise your prices?
Every package is a little bit different on how much they got raised by, but it ranged from around $20 to up to like $100, depending on the package.
God. And is that for all new customers or?
Pretty much, yeah. Everyone, every new client, customer, they're getting charged the updated pricing.
So are you charging your old clients the new prices too, or?
No, every client that's been on my maintenance plan, they're still getting charged the old pricing that they've gotten charged since they started with me. But everyone else, it's a new updated pricing for them.
So why only the new price for the new customers?
Because I feel like my old clients have been sticking with me for the past like almost 4 years, like deserve to still have that old price that I gave them. And also a lot of them, they actually just like tip me whatever my new prices are, so it kind of just evens out. It doesn't. I don't really get a loss from it.
So they tip you on. Can you give us an example of like what they tip you and stuff?
So if I charge them like $60, they'll tip me like another 20 or 40 depending on how they feel, or I don't know.
Oh, got it. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So Tony, when potential customers hit you up and you shoot them over your prices, what's the response?
For the most part, I'd say probably like 7 out of 10 people that hit us up, and once we send them the prices, they're actually okay with it. Some of them seem a bit surprised. I don't know why. We just raised them, and some of them think like it's a bit low. But I think we're pretty fair, and a lot of them think they're fair. And then the other like 3 out of 10 people, they'll either just say like okay, and they'll save up for later, or they'll just go with someone else.
Oh damn. So they're actually willing to pay more when they hear some of the prices.
The new clients that we've been getting like contacted from, they're actually like pretty happy about our prices.
Okay, that's
for the most part.
I heard that some customers, some of your new customers, not only are they paying your new prices, but tipping you on top of that too.
Yeah, we've had, this is actually this January has been our best starting year. Like usually when we start off our year, it's not that busy as much as like the summertime, but this year has been pretty busy. We've been booked out pretty much every week.
Yeah. What do you think that is?
Honestly, I'm not too sure. It's we raise our prices. We're still kind of spending the same on advertisement, and yeah, I don't really know too well. Yeah. It just kind of like, it's just starting to like grow. More people hitting us up, more people booking. I don't know. Yeah. It's interesting. I'm surprised, to be honest.
Do you think it might be like the type of client you're getting now, or maybe the area, or maybe the quality of your work?
I think all three. Maybe it's more like the clientele that I'm starting to reach. I think with these updated pricing, I'm starting to reach a lot more clients that are business owners and have a bit more money to spend than like anyone else who doesn't own a business or just works regular jobs.
Hey Tony, so can you give us some examples of the customers that are tipping you on top of your new prices?
So yeah, this is pretty recent as well. For the past couple of weeks, like probably like a week and two ago, we got one client who messaged us about getting a level 1 done on her SUV. We charged her $300, and she tipped, to be exact, $81 on top. So $381 was a total revenue that we got from that job. And then we had another client. These are both first-time clients as well. Another client we did a mini detail on his car. That was $100, and he tipped us $80 on top. Damn. So we got $180 for that one.
Not bad for new prices, huh?
Yeah, we already updated our pricing. We basically did the same service we do on every other customer's vehicle. Like there was nothing really extra that we added on, and they both were really satisfied and tipped us pretty good money.
Yeah. So how are you getting these types of customers?
Both of these clients came from Instagram, so I'm pretty sure they came from our Instagram ads.
Got it. So now that it's going pretty good with the new prices, are you going to raise them or keep them the same?
Well, I have a few clients that have told me that I should raise them, like they think it's worth more. And I want to agree with them, but at the same time, I just raised them, so I kind of want to keep them the same for a bit longer, like at least another 6 months, see how it goes. And depending on how busy we get, how booked up, and how other clients feel, we'll probably debate off of that. But for now, I think we're good as we are. I think it's a fair price, and we're pretty similarly priced to everyone else in Southern California that is a high-end mobile detailer. Well, there you guys have it. We talked a bit about how we've raised our prices this year and how we've actually been doing pretty well. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would raise your prices or leave them the same. And remember, if you guys like these type of videos, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.